Okay, now let's look at some cloth generation and some rigid, I think it's rigid body stuff. So first of all, I make some sort of plane, something to act as a ground. Then I'll create a couple of boxes here to be our rigid bodies. So they are more interesting to look at, and we'll change their orientation, initial orientation, so they don't fall off like in boring fashion. And this will be our cloth. So for cloth, of course, we need lots of subdivisions, a lot of detail. I will just subdivide it a little bit. Modeling, and two is enough. Okay. So first for rigid bodies, or no, let's start with cloth. So this is our to be cloth. So we go to FX simulation and we set it as a cloth. So ncloth, create a cloth. There are not many options if you were to go to options, but you have here this mesh, original mesh, and we have ncloth, a new object generated. So here we have lots of options like friction, dampness, and whatnot. You can experiment with all of that. And if I hit play, nothing really happens. It goes down, but it doesn't interact with anything in the scene. So in order for things to be interactive, we will select all of them. We go again to ncloth, and we make sure that this is a passive collider for ncloth solver, all those objects. And now, if I hit play, you see things look different. Okay, so we have ncloth simulation. Now say we want to make those rigid bodies, so they should fall down and collide and whatnot. So first the ground, I will go to nConstraint, I think. No, fields and solvers. And we will make it a collider somewhere, a passive rigid body collider. So it's a passive collider, and these will become our active colliders, or whatever it's called. Active rigid body, that's how it's called. And I think we still need gravity. Yes, we don't have gravity. So again, I select these things. Hopefully I'm not cloning anything. Now I don't remember where the gravity exists. Probably here, and the gravity. Now let's see. So you see the bricks fall down, the cloth also interacts with the bricks, and all of that.